Okay, so looking at this, we have x divided by 8 has got to be greater than 2 divided by the quantity of 3 plus 2 squared plus 1 times by 2. So looking at this, we're going to start evaluating on this side over here. We need to work on the inside, so we have x over 8. It's got to be greater than 2 divided by, and then we have 3 plus 2 squared is going to give us 4 plus 1 times by 2. The whole thing in here can now be evaluated together. 3 plus 4 is 7 plus 2 or plus 1 is 8. So we have x divided by 8 is got to be greater than 2 divided by 8 times by 2. Now when we do this, 2 divided by 8, x divided by 8 is going to be equal to 2 divided by 8 is going to become 1 over 4 times by 2. We're going to end up with x divided by 8 is equal to 1/2. And then we times both sides by 8 to get rid of the denominator and move x to being by itself. So we end up with x has got to be greater than 4. So when we're looking at this, we're going to see that we have x is going to be greater than 4, so we go to 4, and that's our critical value. It's going to be an open circle because it cannot be equal to 4. It's just a greater than sign. Because we're going to all numbers greater than 4, we're going to be going to the right. So we can go to numbers that are bigger than 4. So if we've done this right, we should be able to check our answer by clicking on this one right here, and then clicking on 4, and then we should be able to check our answer. There we go.